Photovoltaic modules with an efficiency of 25.6% and a power output of 690 watt. These are the new features of the new modules from Aiko. How this works, we will now find out with Dr. Peter. Mr. Dr. Peter, you have a wonderful new module with a very high efficiency of 25.6% and with a power output of 690 watts. What is behind this new model, behind the tech?
Yeah, thanks for stepping by again. And we are very proud to present now our Generation 4 module of the ABC. We call it Infinite Ultra. And here you see a combination of different techniques to achieve these very high efficiencies. Here we have a 72 cell module with a very big size, which is particular presented to the C&I market, commercial and industry. This means for big roofs of factories or warehouses where you have to have the highest, let's say, efficiency on the rooftop. So this module combines a lot of technologies, our standard ABC technology, which gives in the meantime 27.4% efficiency in the laboratory, where we increase the efficiency of every cell by, I would say, semiconductor measures. This means we have to have a better trench, we have to better an anti-reflective coating, we have to have better passivation layers, but this you will not see as a customer, you only can achieve the result. What you can see is that we have a very little creepage area. This means we try to avoid on the module side areas where no energy is converted from sunlight to electricity. And this means the modules are going as far outside the module as the cells as possible. And this is called creepage. And every company tries to reduce creepage. But creepage also means you have to be stable against moisture. You have to be stable against electrical circuit shortage. And that's why we developed some new materials for the isolation, which has 12 kilowatt per millimeter compared with 9 kilowatt per millimeter, which is a standard in the market. So this is why we were able to increase the active area. And all this gives us 10, 15 watt more on these modules. And this is best in class that you can find here on this exhibition.
Right. Can you give us a list of benefits for the user of this module?
Yeah, in general, we have 4 topics. The most important for me is the highest efficiency, because Aiko, when we started, is the efficiency leader since now 38 months. Then we have our hotspot protection. This means if you have a leaf covering one cell, a standard module gets up to 170 degrees, and our modules are staying at 100 degrees, TÜV certified. Then we have this partial shading resistance. This means even if you have shaded something by trees or chimneys, our modules will not lose as much as the other modules. We have also 2 test stands where you can see this. And last not least, these modules are fireproof. And we have fireproof certified also from TÜV, which is very important for the customers because they want or they don't want to have any fire risks on their rooftop. And this is extremely important for insurance.
Right. So you have pushed the border with efficiency quite very far. What can we expect for the future from Aiko in terms of modules and efficiency?
That is a very good question. So the far future maybe will be tandem cells, but this is unpredictable when they come. For us, it means we squeeze out every year as much as possible. Right. So we have our engineers working every day and night to increase the efficiency, to stabilize the efficiency. What you can see here is a record module. And for sure, we try to have more record modules in our production side. So you're very much invited to visit our factories in China. This is semiconductor grade production, and we are optimizing every step in the production every day. So progress never stops.
Great. We are looking forward to it. So we have now another module we are going to see. You want to show us? We have here a very nice module, completely black, 500 watts. What is behind this module, behind the technique?
So what we see here is our Z series. We are now introducing this to the market, and this is specially designed for the rooftop residential market, let's say private houses. The technique behind is more or less the same, which I explained just before for the big module for the C&I. So all these advantages like efficiency, fireproof, partial shading are the same. But here we have this very nice black appearance, what people on the private household really like a lot. And as an additional feature, if you buy this module via certified distributors, we can give you a 40 years warranty, which is the same like the tiles on the rooftop. So which gives a lot of security to the households. And that is why we are now starting a new production line in China, especially this. The demand in Europe is extremely big. We are just introducing this to the market. And also, yes, from yesterday's first day of this exhibition, people are rushing in and want to have this. So this is really great product for the residential market.
Thank you very much, Dr. Peter, for the interesting talk. And for more information, please visit the website of Aiko.